In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the short description on blog pages in Shopify theme. For this example, I change the color of description to red. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now look for theme and then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on drop-down menu, then select Blogs, Default Blog, then on the left under Template, click on Blog Posts, then expand the Custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the short description. Let me right click on it, then select Inspect. Okay, let's take a look. We'll target the following class selector, article-card _excerpt. Perfect. Let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period article-card _excerpt. Open left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Let's pick this one. Always make sure to copy the hex code including the hashtag. Then go back to the editor. And let's paste it right here. And lastly, don't forget to add the semicolon at the end. Once you add this rule, at the top right corner, click on Save. Let's go back to the blog page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the short description is now red color under every article card. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.